Hello student, today discuss about the practice set 5.2 question number 2 example number 3. In this example, find the coordinates of the point A which divide the segment PQ in the ratio A raised to B. So the example is P coordinates point is given 2 6 q in bracket minus 4 1 and a raised to b ratio is 1 as to 2. So student, listen here. First we should write or let the coordinates of the point A, x and y. So let the coordinates of point AB, x and y. Then suppose the coordinates of point P are, suppose the coordinates of point P is x1 y1 and q is x2 y2. Then x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to minus 4 and y2 is equal to 1. Then point A divide the segment PQ in the ratio 1 as to 2. So A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Then by using section formula, so I will write here section formula: A x2 plus b x1 upon a plus b and y is equal to a y2 plus b y1 upon a plus b. So adding the value in this formula, x is equal to 1, x2 की value minus 4, then 2, x1 value is 2, then 1 plus 2. Then x is equal to, in next step, minus 4 plus 4 upon 3. X is equal to 0 upon 3, then x is equal to 0. Now in this way, same in the formula of for y, adding the value, y is equal to 1 in bracket 1 plus 2 6, then 1 plus 2, then y is equal to 1 into 1 1, 6 plus 2 12 upon 3, y is equal to 13 upon 3, and hence the coordinates of point A, the coordinates of point A is 0 and 13.3. 13 upon 3. In this way this example is finished. So student, listen here. Here you should apply the section formula and then adding the given values and then find the coordinates of the this midpoint. Here now next point is example number 6. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16. Now student, listen here. The segment AB, suppose this is the segment AB. The coordinates point is 22, 20 and here 0, 16. In this segment the point P is midpoint. Suppose this point P is the midpoint of that segment and let this point P's coordinates is x and y. So find out these coordinates of the point P by using the midpoint formula. So suppose you should write first, let A 22, 20 and B 0, 16 is the segment. If A is x1, y1 and B 0, B is x2, y2, B is x2, y2, means x1 is equal to 22, x2 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 20 and y2 is equal to 16. Then let P xy be the midpoint, of segment AB. Then by using midpoint formula, so x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then adding the value of x is equal to 22 plus 0 upon 2 and x is equal to 22 upon 2 is equal to 11. Now x is equal to 11. Then adding the value here, y is equal to 20 plus 16 upon 2. Then y is equal to 36 upon 2 and last step y is equal to 18. 2 18s are 36. In this way value of x is 11 and value of y is 18. Now the coordinates of the midpoint of the segment is coordinates of segment AB midpoint P is 11, 18. Coordinates of segment AB is midpoint P is 11 and 18. Now student, in this way you should study here. By using the midpoint formula, find the values of the midpoints coordinates, and hence I will suggest you should solve the following examples for that 5.2 practice set. And next lecture we should study next lesson trigonometry, because of the next point slope of line is cancelled due to the COVID-19 in our syllabus. Thank you.